Hi, and welcome to Perkins Prairie by Connor Homes. My name is Pam, and I'm the sales manager here at Connor Homes. Connor Homes is a local home builder. We've been building homes in the greater Puget Sound area for over 60 years. Because we're a local builder, we understand the importance of natural light. If you walk through any of our homes, you'll see an abundance of windows to help fill your home with light on even the grayest of days. Here at Perkins Prairie, we're surrounded by nature. Majestic Mount Rainier in the distance and Mount Peak with some great hiking trails close by. Don't forget about nearby Foothills Trail. You can explore this 20-mile long trail by bike or on foot. Buckley has that small town feel with local coffee shops, breweries and wine tasting. Close by Enumclaw expands that small town feel with several local farm-to-table restaurants, coffee shops and boutiques. The homeowners at Perkins Prairie take great pride in their community. We have 2 community parks, one with a covered picnic area, outdoor barbecues and a basketball court. Our homes here range from 1872 to 3226 square feet. We have 6 floor plans, including a rambler. The homes have from 3 to 5 bedrooms with 2 to 3 car garages. Interior features include quartz kitchen counters, luxury vinyl floors, laundry sinks in some plans, linear electric fireplaces, and heat pump for heating and cooling. Whichever floor plan you choose, we know that you will make lasting memories and be proud to call it home.